how to use outfit codes on Roblox. So first, what you want to do is open up your Roblox on your website. I'm just going to open up my browser. And now once it's all loaded up, what you want to do is search for catalog avatar creator here at the top. Then tap on enter on your keyboard, wait for it to load. So once you're here, this is the game that you want to open. So just simply click on play right here. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Now once the game is all loaded up, what you want to do is just simply click on community outfits here on the left side. And we'll just go here to the most popular. And I have my outfit code on me, so I'll just paste it right here. Wait for it to load. So it takes too long to load, so I'm just gonna reset it. So let's say I want to input this outfit code. As you can see, it goes to right here. Now you could just simply click on save to Roblox. But if you want to see how it would look, you could just simply click on wear right here. Now you could just go up, and as you can see, I'm already wearing it. And that's how you basically use outfit codes in Roblox.